Right, this is his first FIFA pack opening. Right, let's get started. See what we get. Let's hope for some informs, hopefully. Not the best of packs, but okay. Not too bad. Could have hoped for better, but start, 81 rated player. Nice. Let's get some of these into club. Some of these cards. Right, pack number 2. Get my FIFA points ready. Here we go. Let's hope for someone better this time. And we have nothing. Absolutely nothing. Shocking. Shocking pack. Got Seamus Coleman, not too bad, as you can see. But no one interesting at all. Right, here we go. Pack number 3. Starting off. Let's hope we get Falcao in it. We have been a Falcao pack. Fingers crossed. Someone good. And we have no one again. Bruma from Galatasaray. Not a bad play personally, but not good enough on here. I'm hoping for better, but oh well. Right, and the final pack for today. Let's get cracking. Fingers crossed. Last pack. Could be a good pack. Hopefully. And we have not too bad. Dyer. I'll take him. Look at the pace on him though. 92. Unreal. Will do a good job for my squad. Right, thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed.